Too. Oh dear.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute though. Training bits.
Sure. Sure, we can do that.
You got yours, honey.
Get out of here.
You got yours, Cricket. Sizzle, you got
Oh,
yours
go.
too.
Go lie down. Go, go. You go lie down. Oh.
They're tiny, tiny. Yeah, that's all we got.
Oh, God. I got too many dogs. Go lie down. Go. 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 I don't want you in the way. Hey, you go lie down. Now, come over here. Come. Come. Hey, come. Sit. There we go. Now, down. Down. I got finished eating. Oh, the camera's not on. No, up, down, down, down. Yeah, good boy.
Oh, way to go, Pasta.
There you go. There. Now, you better give some to them.
Okay.
And she had to tell me everything she had ever seen him for. And her mother loved him. And we, and she kept talking. And I was having trouble hearing anyway. Whereas if Judy'd been there, she would have fielded the questions. But Katie went with me out from the Tanner barn.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I just called her. She came flying in. So she went with me. And we did very well.
Oh, good.
Because there's a whole bit, how do you get them in there, and then how do you get them out without knocking anybody over? And
Yeah.
because the minute I say, okay, guys, get in the car,
Yeah.
they run for the car. And it's really kind of spectacular. But I have to have Judy up there holding the doors open and making sure there's nobody in the way because they'll come flying through.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
But it's a big hit. If somebody who takes in a therapy dog, they go in, they walk around and pat the dog. This bunch, we have this frying pan with the cookies, and they run over and they get the picture, they pat the dog, and it's a lot more action, and they love it. Yeah. They love it.
That's good.
So we've started, and that was, I think it was over 20 people today.
That's good.
It is. Last week was 106 or something like that.
Wow. You got the camera now.
Camera's moving. Oh, my
word. There it is.
Wow. Wow. Okay, now we can do that again, right? Oh,
yeah.
Don't say anything.
Okay.
Give me another cookie. I need some more of those. I think he's quite busy doing something at the moment, which we may have to pick up later. Okay, now he's nowhere near me now. Go away! Pasta, come! Pasta, come! Eddie, good boy! Isn't that good? He's a good boy. He knows how to do things. You through with that one? You want to lie down? Down. 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 All the way. Hey, good boy. Okay, guys, you've now really all seen it. He's a good boy. Yes, he's good. Okay, now I don't know how to tell him to get up. Get out of here. Okay, you go, boy. Here, you can have some over here. Here you go. Go ahead. Okay. Now you got to dish out some more.
Okay.
You can have those. Here's one over here. Hey, over there, right there.
Okay, go Mr. Lark. Go Miss Sizzle.
Isn't that exciting, though? That's 8 days. He was doing this, actually, almost doing it in 6 days. But he certainly does it exactly right now.
No more. No more. No more.
Now you want to see what doesn't do it right? Oh, God.
All done. Yep, all done. Good job. All done. Okay. I'll give you some
How do I get... Oh, there we go.
Come here, baby. Oh, lovey dove.
My dog gives people, a lot of people smile. My dog gives a lot of people laughs. If between what I'm saying and what the dogs are doing, I can make people laugh a lot of times.
Mm-hmm.
You know? They just don't believe it.
Mm. I take a nap right here on Jimmy.
I hope somebody did a picture of him lying down like that. I don't have any. What? That doesn't sound good. Oh. Hey, Junior.
Lark. Luck.
Rocky?
Luck.
Don't need to do that. Where'd he go? We don't know where he
He's
went.
right there. Right there.
That's the trouble of that color. I can't see it. I can't see when
blends
he's...
in with all the brown in here.
I know the bed that they're lying on, I really could stand a solid color because I can't see if he's even in the bed because he's got so much junk in there with him and sizzle and
Yeah. How's that? Good?
other stuff.
All right.
Okay, did I do everything now?
I think we got everything.
I got everything?
Yep.
I don't got any supper. I don't think I have any supper.
Oh, no.
I must have something.
You got to have something in there, yeah.
I must have something in there.
Oh. Oh, there he is. Go, scroll down. There
Look at
it
that!
is.
Look at that! Yes! Yes, I better take a screenshot of that. Then that show. How the hell? I can't in here. That's the wrong machine.
Well, yeah, you'll get it on yours in there. You can do it.
Now everybody believes me.
Jiminy, what are you doing?
What?
Larky's there. What are you doing?
He's telling Larky to move.
To move, yeah.
Jiminy, march. Go.
Attaboy.
That's a good boy.
Attaboy.
Maybe he doesn't like the sun.
He's fine.
Good boy, Jiminy.
You're that little... I'm going to believe I got to be over here.
Okay. Well, now what do I do?
Well, we got a couple more. With our purple pants. You baby.
Oh, kicks and sneakers? Huh. I didn't know that. Did you know that?
What?
They're called, sneakers are called kicks?
Yes.
I didn't know that. Learn something new every day.
What a colorful...
He's tearing apart a bed in there.
Hey, hey, hey.
No, may as well let him.
Pasta.
He may as well let him.
Yeah,
At least
come
it's something to the dogs.
Put him-
Not my leather
throw him
chair.
a bone, you know?
Huh?
Give him a bone or something. Don't let him...
No, they like that. Because he can pretend he's killing it. And he shakes it.
Hey, Pasta. Pasta. Come, Pasta. Come. Come. Atta boy.
See what I mean? Now he's going to chew the chair. I told you he was better off.
Hey. Come here. Come here. Silly. Oh, you're silly. Not the hand, right?
Oh, now see, you knocked him over. Now what they're going to... Well, now can you hear what they're going to say?
Wait, I didn't knock him over.
Oh, God. Thank God my foot wasn't anywhere near it. They'd have killed me. Jesus.
Oh.
Ah!
Come here, you silly dog. You silly pup.
Is the packages over? The other 2 packages were my personal things.
Come here, love. Come here, love. Love. Yeah. Whoa. What you doing? No. Oh. Don't.
So tomorrow it's supposed to rain in the morning and be done by 10.
Ah, okay.
And it's only Tuesday tomorrow, right?
Yes.
You get into Wednesday with that hay, and sometimes he doesn't have it. So I really would like to go tomorrow. Yeah, you drag that around.
There's one little spot.
You know what we could try? Let's try something. Can we try something? Let's try something. We'll put your feet up here. There, now. Now you can walk around. Go ahead, walk around. Come on, stand up. Come on. Get your feet up. Come on. There we go. There you go. There you go. There we go. Goodbye. Uh-oh. That was a good puppy.
What a good boy.
Ah, he bit me. Don't bite. Was that fun? We gotta have it around the front end.
Come on. Up.
Get up there. There you go. Go ahead.
Go.
There you We tried it with you. It didn't work.
Be nice, Jimmy.
It's a nice puppy. Okay.
Don't be your little
Well, now that's something for everybody to talk about for a while.
He'll be your little brother. Oh, you take care of him.
No, there's nothing wrong with his back legs. There's not an awful lot wrong with his front ones. But there is something strange. Do you know what it is? Did I tell you what it is?
Mm-mm.
Well, I'm not going with that sound on either.
Okay. I think I might know, so we
Oh,
can
really?
talk after.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the baby Jim. Oh.
I did have to tell a
Oh,
couple
burp.
people.
Excuse you.
You know, another thing with this dog is weird. He gets the hiccups a lot.
Does he?
I don't remember a dog getting that many hiccups.
Huh. Interesting. Oh, you're a pumpkin. Oh.
Okay.
We actually opened the package earlier. It was puppy food.
Yeah, we had a package of puppy food.
I held up the whiteboard. I can't see who it's from now. What are you doing? You silly boy.
See, he's chewing the furniture just like everybody else.
Yep.
No, you're not going to make him get up. That's what this is.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Jiminy. God, a good boy, Jiminy. Maybe you should give him a cookie for having gone over there.
Then everybody else wants one.
No, he behaved. He went over. Well, Jiminy, we'll get Jiminy a cookie. Jiminy was a good boy. You stay. You stay over there.
Good boy.
Good boy, Jiminy.
Good boy.
Crazy dog knows where the camera is. Ah.
All right. I was calling him ravioli outside.
What's this?
I was calling him ravioli. You know, pasta, ravioli. I think that's going to be my nickname for him.
Okay,
He just
whatever.
looks like a ravioli.
He'll adapt to anything.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Hi, your baby.
Huh, that's fun.
Yeah.
He'll do a stool pretty quick.
Yeah.
That's why I bought that white stool in there with a back on it, so I could hang stuff on the back so I get him doing it. But it's too top heavy.
Oh, okay.
He knocks the whole thing over, and it scared him a couple times.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Whereas this guy's got going on that. He could keep going on a bigger one.
Well, yeah, I mean, if you teach him young like this, then
He'd
he's
be showing
also...
the dining room table. Ah!
I'll move it for you, Mom.
Oh, God. Why am I letting him chew on the furniture? You'd rather let him chew on my leather furniture? That wood is so hard. You can see the corner of it, and you're looking at probably 400 dogs have chewed on that. So they're not getting very far very fast.
He's got his little bone now. Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah, they'll chew on that. They've been piece of firewood. They'll chew on fire. You know, there's nothing really.
Whatever they can.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't like them chewing on something. They're going to get an awful lot of splinters. They're not getting a lot off of there because really, you're talking at 400 dogs. We've had it for a long time, and all of them are like that. Well, that was already cut curved. But
That
these,
one is.
yeah, it's the same thing. Pushing and pull. No, I didn't think of that. Pasta is good with stools. Pushing and pooping.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I like that.
That's a very good one. He's chilling like the others, yeah?
Oh, dear Parks.
Yeah. Okay, well now...
Yes. Oh, what a picture.
Oh, that's cute.
Aw. Very nice.
Huh. Okay. It's time for me to go to
Yeah.
bed now.
Yes, I think it's that time.
I hate to admit that these are the clothes I wore yesterday and slept in.
Oh, no.
I say that only because I know you all so well. But I'm not going to sleep in them again.
No.
So, time has come.
All right.
I get exhausted.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and there are complications,
Yeah.
like trying to get anything done, like with him.
Yeah.
He's going to want immediate attention on things.
All right. Are we all set then?
I guess we all said I don't see any
All
more.
right.
No more
Well,
blue
thank
lines.
you, everybody.
Thank you to
and,
everybody.
We'll see you again.
Bye.